In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom link on Eventbrite. Let's get started by signing into your Eventbrite account. This is your central hub for managing all your events. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Events section. Here you can see a list of all your events. Select the specific event you want to work on. This ensures that any changes you make will apply only to this event, keeping everything organized and specific. Next, make sure the event location is set to online. This step is crucial because it tells Eventbrite that your event is virtual. It helps streamline the process of adding online resources like Zoom links. Once that's all set, head over to the event dashboard. From there, select the online event page. This page is specifically designed to handle virtual event components securely. It is crucial because this is where your attendees will find all the online access information they need. Now you have a couple of options when it comes to adding your Zoom link. First, you can choose to connect Zoom directly and link your Zoom account. This option allows you to select an existing Zoom meeting or webinar. This method is efficient as it integrates your accounts, making future setups quicker and easier. Or, if you prefer, you can click on Share Additional Content, then select Link and paste your Zoom meeting URL. This option is a bit more manual but still straightforward. After you've added the link, enter a title that clearly describes the session. Also include any instructions attendees might need to join the meeting successfully. This is important because clear instructions can prevent confusion and ensure a smoother experience for your attendees. Once everything looks good, save your changes. This makes sure your Zoom link and instructions are securely stored and ready for attendees to access. Now, you might be wondering why we use the online event page. Well, this page is specifically designed for registered attendees. It securely displays your Zoom link along with any other resources like live stream links and files. Attendees will receive a link to this page in their confirmation and reminder emails. This feature ensures that only those who are supposed to attend can access the event details, adding an extra layer of security. If you prefer full Zoom integration, go back to the online event page, click on Connect Zoom, or it might say Add Zoom depending on your setup. You'll then need to sign into your Zoom account and authorize Eventbrite. This step allows Eventbrite to access your Zoom meetings and webinars. Once authorized, you can select an existing Zoom session or create a new one. After making your selection, save the connection. Eventbrite will automatically place the Zoom session details on the attendee event page. This automation saves you time and ensures that everything is seamlessly integrated. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Zoom link to your Eventbrite event. By following these steps, you ensure that your attendees have everything they need to join your virtual event smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching, and happy event planning.